Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. What a beautiful day. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I know that we did. Brian and I just kind of sat around the house a little bit, chilled, relaxed. Excuse me, I went to Target Saturday morning and picked up a few things that I needed. I also went into Michael's to look at some of their fall and Halloween decorations. If you guys missed that video, I will put a link up here so you guys can go watch that. Today is Monday, and I am actually going to the post office today because I am going to go get my passport completed today. Or actually, I don't know how, I'm going for my appointment. I guess you have to make an appointment to go get your passport. So that is what I'm going to go do. My paperwork is already filled out. Everything is good to go. I have my driver's license, my driver's license, my marriage license, my birth certificate. I have everything that I need. And so today I'm going to apply for my passport. I'm really excited. I kind of always wanted to get a passport. I think it's just like a neat thing that you get to do. Brian actually got one about, oh gosh, over 10 years ago. And so he's gonna actually renew his, but he's not gonna go until Friday because that's when he has a day off of work, or he can leave on a half a day and go do that. So yeah, so today's my day, so that's what I'm gonna go do. First things first though, gotta make up the bed. I changed the sheets and stuff on the bed yesterday. You guys can see over there, changed the sheets. I just put these really pretty floral ones on, but yeah. So I changed the sheets yesterday, and let's see, what else? I did a little bit of laundry, and then Brian and I watched a movie last night, Ready Player One. That's a good movie. We really enjoyed that. But this week, I don't have much on my agenda of things that I'm gonna do. Just the normal stuff that I normally do throughout the week is, you know, laundry and dust and clean and whatever the case may be. I do know that I am gonna start my kitchen cabinets this week. I'm gonna start painting the frame, which I was gonna do yesterday, but Brian and I just kind of oh, we cleaned the garage yesterday. So we cleaned the garage out yesterday. So, you know, we just kind of got wore out from that, because that was, cleaning the garage was a nightmare. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna make up the bed. I'm gonna take a shower and get myself ready because my appointment is at 11. I wanna be on time, and I'm excited to get my passport. How many of you guys have your passports? And have you guys ever used them or got a stamp in them? So yeah, leave me a comment below and let me know. I will see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, so I have applied for my passport. That was quite expensive. It was $50 to process through the post office, and then it was $140 to send all the information in. That's a bit pricey. That's a little bit ridiculous. I'm crossing my fingers and hoping that everything goes smoothly and that I get my passport. There's only one thing that could possibly prevent me from getting my passport, and that is I have a couple of warrants up in Illinois. Nothing that I did stupid or crazy or stole anything. It's not felonies or anything like that. They're just a civil one from when I was trying to contact my kids years ago, and the stepmother, where she filed a complaint or whatever. What is it called? I don't even know what they're called anymore. A restraining order. So I would stop contacting the kids, and so when I had contacted the kids, say through a third party or whatever, that automatically set up a violation of the restraining order, and that automatically sets up a warrant as well. So all of those are just the stupidest thing. And yes, I have these warrants up in Illinois only, and only in a few counties. So if I get pulled over here, whatever, they're not going to be able to pull it up. They don't know, you know, from my driver's license or whatever that I have these. So it's not like they're federal. It's not like they are felonies. I don't even know if, well, they might just be a small misdemeanor, but they're civil and to a local state. So it's not like a huge deal. I'm not trying to, they're not going to extradite me to Illinois or whatever if I get pulled over. But yeah, welcome to my world, guys. Sometimes my life is quite exciting. Yay, I have warrants. Woohoo. And those are warrants that I'm definitely, like, I don't want to have to go take care of, because number one, it'll cost me money to do all that. Because, and I just don't feel like having to spend more money on stupid stuff that they caused. So I just don't, if anything, those little people should pay for them to get removed or whatever. But anyway, nonetheless, so yeah, that's that. So I'm crossing my fingers and hoping that I get my passport and that everything goes smoothly, and I can feel really good and confident. I have been wanting to get a passport for several years anyway, because Brian and I, like, we might go overseas sometime. Our neighbor just asked us if we wanted to go to Greece with them in 2020. So getting my passport was like a big deal for them as well, because they were waiting, you know, to see if I could get my passport. So, so yeah, I'm excited to get it. I think it's just a cool thing to be able to have. It just, yeah, that's it. That's all I have about the passport thing. So just wish me luck. Cross your fingers, say some extra prayers or whatever, and I'm sure everything is probably going to be fine. Like I've read, I've done some research on them or whatever, they usually just say if it's for, you know, small little things like that, those don't even pop up or nobody even cares. But if it's like something like a felony and I'm trying to, like, you know, leave the country for something, then yeah, that's a big problem. But yeah, no, I'm not. So we shall see. I'll let you guys know when it comes in. But right now, I am headed, oh man, I am headed to Brian's office really quick, and then I'm gonna head to the store and get a few things that I wanna make for dinner tonight, and then I gotta stop off at my P.O. box and pick up a package that was delivered there today. And then I'm gonna go home and prepare for dinner and get my house cleaned up and stuff. So, because I'm kind of a mess. My house is kind of a little toss up right now. So yeah, I'll check back with you guys a little bit. Yay! Passport applied for. Alrighty guys, hey, so I am back from the post office and applying for my passport. I stopped off at Brian's work really quick to pick up some paperwork that I needed to have from him. And then I went to Kroger really quick to pick up stuff that I was making for dinner tonight. I have been craving a meatball sub sandwich, and I was trying to figure out how I can make it with like less calories, less fat, less bad for you. So I decided to do a sub sandwich with turkey meatballs and marinara sauce and a whole wheat bun. So that is what we are having for dinner tonight. I actually just opened up the meatballs and put them in the crock pot. Let's go take a look at them. Alrighty, so here are the turkey meatballs. I just put them in the crock pot. Obviously they're still cold. They're not warm yet. I don't know if I was gonna put the marinara in there now or if I was gonna wait and do it like at the last minute. I don't know, because Brian may not like marinara, and I know he likes pasta sauce, but he may not like marinara. And then I also have some whole wheat buns here, because that's what we're trying to do, is just the whole wheat thing. So whole wheat, and then I picked up some honey wheat because I had a sandwich, and I picked up another loaf of honey wheat because they were real small loaves, which I like these smaller loaves. That's nice. And then I picked up some whole wheat English muffins because, you know, I'm just kind of like, sometimes I like to have a muffin for breakfast, or sometimes I like to have an egg on top of a muffin for breakfast, and sometimes I like to have a grapefruit for breakfast, which I had this morning. I had a piece of, well, half of a grapefruit this morning for breakfast, and yesterday morning I had the other half of that grapefruit for breakfast. So I bought marinara sauce and regular like spaghetti sauce. I'm not sure which one he likes. I will probably do the marinara sauce, but I don't know what he wants. And then I bought some sprinkled Parmesan cheese to put on top of it. So like I said, I'm trying to like less calories, less bad for you type of thing. We're trying to do like the better thing. I also did stop off at my P.O. box and picked up some stuff, which I left out in my car, which I'm gonna go and get really quick. And then I have to take some of this stuff upstairs to store it, and then yeah, I'm gonna sweep the floor in here because it got a little messy, and I don't like that. Hardwood floors always seem to get like real dusty and messy real quickly, so obviously I didn't sweep it like all the weekend yesterday or Saturday. I didn't sweep it all, and usually I sweep every single day because the floors get yucky, but I didn't sweep all weekend, so that's why it's yucky. So let me go grab my stuff out of my car, and I'll show you guys what I ordered. So the first thing, let's see what this was. Gosh, I don't even know what this is. I'm opening it with a knife. I probably shouldn't, but I am. I don't know what this is. I did not order this. This was not mine. I did not order this. Carol Smith. Yeah, this is not for me. I did not order this, so I have to take it back. They actually put the wrong, that's interesting. They put the wrong address on here because I did not order this emergency auto toolkit. I did not order that. That is not mine, so I will have to be taking that back up to UPS. Okay, so this is mine. They must have put the wrong sticker on there, or she must have wrote down the wrong address or something, because, yeah, not mine. Okay, and this, this is one of those little things. I like this. My battery's about ready to die. Okay, so this is basically, I wanted this because I want to be able to stick this. It is like a cooler, so it's insulated. I wanted to be able to stick my 12-pack of ginger ale in this for our trip, because you can bring cans of soda on the trip with you, or on the cruise with you. So that's what I wanted to do. So I figured this will be perfect because it's small enough that I can sit this inside of my big tote that I'm going to carry on the cruise with me. So I think we can we carry these on? Oh my gosh, now I forgot. Can you carry these on, or do they have to be in? Oh, it doesn't matter. But anyway, I like this. It's a nice size thermal with a hand strap. Love that. Love that. And then lastly, before my, well, that didn't work too well. Before my battery dies, this is from Etsy. What did I order on Etsy? I don't even remember. I don't even remember. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. Love this. Completely forgot about this. Okay, so I ordered this on Etsy from Hunter Bear Designs. Love this. Hunter Bear Designs. There's the card right. Again, probably not gonna focus, but Hunter Bear Designs. There we go. Hunter Bear Designs. Love it. And this is just a wooden sign. Awesome. That, again, Angie, let's go. Open this up. You guys, look. It says October 31st on it. Absolutely love this. I cannot wait to put this out to display it for Halloween. October 31st. How cute is that? Now I want one for they have one for like every holiday. They had one for like Christmas, which is like December 25th. They had this one. I forgot what other ones they had, but isn't that cute? I love it. Alrighty, so now I have to take that stuff back to my P.O. box because they gave me the wrong package. Bummer. Alright, see you guys later. Alrighty, so I'm on my way back to my P.O. box, but I'm not gonna make this okay, start over. I'm on my way to my post office, my P.O. box, and I'm gonna take that envelope back and let them know that they have the wrong, I noticed that they have the wrong little number on there. But anyway, and now I'm actually gonna make this worth my while. That's what I was trying to say, and I'm just taking in my Posh order. Somebody ordered something from me or bought something from me from Posh, so I'm taking that in. So I'm just making this a worthwhile trip instead of having to come out tomorrow to drop off my Posh. And I would have had to drop off Posh tomorrow had I not went and picked up the label from Brian earlier today. So, yes, so with that said, I'm headed to my P.O. box. There was something else I wanted to say too, and oh, I know what it was. I am actually going to be going to Tennessee this weekend. I'm not leaving until Saturday morning though, and I'm only staying one night. A cousin, my dad's first cousin, and my second cousin, my dad's first cousin, and that's my second cousin. He passed away the other day. He was 70 something, 77 I think it was. He passed away the other day, and they're having his service and everything on Saturday. And I've known him all of my life. Dang, my battery. I've known him all of my life. I've been with them for years and years. So I'm actually just gonna go pay my respects to the service, and then be with my family, of course. So I'll be leaving Saturday morning, and then I'll probably just come home Sunday. I thought about staying all day Sunday and going out on the lake with my sister, and then coming home like on Monday, but then that's like my whole weekend shot with Bri. So, and I know it's like, do I stay? I don't know. I'll figure it all out. We'll see what goes on. He may even come with me. I highly doubt it, but we shall see. But I gotta change my battery, so I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. The guy at my P.O. box was very, very thankful that I brought that back, or grateful actually that I brought that back. And the other kid that works there actually admitted that he actually stuck the wrong sticker on there. It should have said 164, even though the sticker said 164. The address itself, the other sticker, said 184. So they were supposed to put a 184 on there, not 164. So anywho, so I'm home and I'm gonna get stuff ready for dinner tonight and finish getting this video up and edited so you guys can watch tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow in Wonderland. Bye.